Michelangelo 1 quart saucepan with lid, ultra non-stick copper saucepan with lid, small pot with lid, ceramic non-stick saucepan 1 quart, small sauce pot, copper pot 1 QT, ceramic saucepan 1 quart. Scratch-resistant multiple-layer non-stick coating. Michelangelo Nonstick 1 quart saucepan is perfect for cooking reheating vegetables, sauces, pasta or soup. The superior ceramic and titanium interior makes it ideal for use low to medium heat with minimum oil and lots of flavor. Cleans up easily. Heats quickly and evenly. This 1 quart small pot with lid is made of professional-grade aluminum alloy that conducts heat quickly and evenly with precise temperature control and no hot spot. No chipping, no peeling or flaking. Conveniently designed lid and ergonomic handle. Heat-resistant glass lid of the small copper pots makes viewing food easy from start to finish. It seals in the flavor and nutrients for a healthier and better-tasting food. Long, ergonomically designed, heavy-duty stainless steel handles provides you with a secure, solid and comfortable grip. The handles of copper saucepan are double-riveted by hand and stays cool to the touch at all times. Non-toxic, PTFA, PFOA, lead and cadmium-free, ideal for healthy cooking. Choose Michelangelo Nonstick 1 quart saucepan with lid for greener and safer cooking. Versatile performance, it work on all stovetops, except induction. Not induction compatible, oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Package includes 1x1 quart copper saucepan with lid. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.